Who they solve? Mr. Hefty. Who they go down? Mr. Hefty. Who they teach?
Alright guys, so today we'll be working on AI face swap. I'll be teaching you how you can swap your face with another person's face using AI. No too much technical skills required, unlike those days when you use Photoshop to double and double and double and double. This one will just give you a result. Mind you, it is for educational purposes only. So the first thing we want to do is to head on to AI face swap.io. Head on to this place. It doesn't require you to log in. Just head on to this, and then you have a place like this. Then I can just go ahead and click on start face swapping. I don't have to log in. Okay, I can just start face swapping from here direct. Okay, so on this interface you see drop files here. So this is the original picture and this is the face image. So I'll click, let me choose go right to my desktop. I have two pictures I want to work with. Let's say this is the original picture I want to use. Allow it load, and then this is the picture I want to be swapping with. Okay, so when both of them uploads, I can click on face swap to see the results. It doesn't take so much time, so long as your internet is good, you get the result right away. So this is what I could get swapping these two faces together. So you can try many more pictures. Let's try one more picture. Okay, let's try another picture here. Let me pick this as the original picture and look for another picture I can use for the face swapping. Let me try this and see what the result will be like. Still loading. Click on face swapping, and this is what I get. So you can try yours and show me the results you get, and let's compare. There are several other AI tools that you can actually use for this, but I think this is the easiest one I've encountered so far. So tell me what it feels like right there. We can still do the opposite of it. Let me use this other picture as the original and then swap with this. Okay, so let me see what it's going to look like. To just take some moment, and it won't take that long though. And then this is what we get. Let me know what you feel. Alright, so after you have done this, there are so many other things you may want to explore on this website. There is also video face swapping, multiple face swap, GIF face swap, and the rest of them. So you can just take your time to check out other tools that you can find on this AI face swap.io. Video face swapping, the same thing, the same process you took for the image face swap, you can also do that for video. So I'm trying to keep this as short as possible so that it can fit into a very watch time frame. So don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and share to people that may be interested to learn this. Remember, it's for educational purposes only. See you in the next one.